Hello everyone. As Bubbles and Pebbles have completed their 1 year of stay with us, they have learned a lot of tricks. एक साल हो गया है that they are with us. I have little bit celebrated their 1 year adoption day also, but not properly because of the COVID situation, and we all felt sick. बट आई जस्ट थॉट कि हम कभी काउंट नहीं किए कि कितने ट्रिक्स बबल्स और पेबल्स इतने दिनों में सीख गए हैं. दैट आई हैव नेवर काउंटेड हाउ मेनी ट्रिक्स दे नो. So today I will be just making them do, I don't know how much they'll be doing because birds are moody. So different times of the day, different times they do whatever they do. What was that? OMG. That seed was bad, Pebbles? Did you see that fume coming from the seed? Actually, I'm giving them some treats right now. Same thing, kusum dana or sunflower seed. Kusum dana is this one, which is known as the safflower seed, or ye hai sunflower seed. I always give them treats when they perform some tricks. जब कोई ट्रिक्स कराते हैं तभी उनको ट्रीट दिया जाता है. This is morning time and they are hungry and they are ready to do tricks. So let's see how many tricks they can do. So number 1 is the simple step up trick. Step up trick आपको सिखाना ही है to your birds if you want to bond with them or want to make them learn other tricks. So simple step up, step up, step up, step up, step up, and you get a treat. Good bird, Pebbles. The second trick or number 2 is spinning around. Pebbles, spin, 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 spin. Oh, you're spinning the other way. Spin. Good bird. And treats. Number 3 is high five, which they have learned very recently. High five, Pebbles. High five. With just one finger. High five. बहुत recently ये लोग सीखे हैं high five. Around 2-3 months back. So this is also a fun trick to teach them. Come here. Number 4 is the variation of high five. That is shake hand. Shake hand. Again. Shake hand. Good bird. This looks very funny. Number 5 is actually what I taught them to do before high five and shake hand. तो ये सबसे पहले सिखाया गया था before high five and shake hand. So wave. Again. Wave. Wave Pebbles को सीखने में बहुत टाइम लगा था. But once she learned it, she is doing it very nicely. Number 6 is not actually a trick, but I will take it as a trick क्योंकि बात करना भी एक capability होता है and they know only just 2-3 words. So I'll just make them say Pebbles, peekaboo, peekaboo, come on, peekaboo, good bird, come here, peekaboo, good bird. Pebbles. Number 7 is tunnel. Tunnel is something that you can do only when your bird is comfortable with your hands. अगर आपके birds आपके hands से डरते नहीं हैं तभी वो करेंगे, otherwise नहीं करेंगे. So you first have to get them comfortable with your hands and then make them learn this. Tunnel. Come, tunnel. Very good. Again. Tunnel. Good job. One more time. Tunnel, Pebbles. Yes. One more time. Tunnel. Here, here, here. Here. Tunnel. Good part. So that's number 7. Number 8 is just variation of this thing which they can do only on a floor or on a table or something. And Pebbles learned it herself. हम जब इसके केज क्लीन कर रहे थे, वाइप कर रहे थे, so she started copying me and she learned it herself. And Bubbles learned it from her. Come on, Pebbles. Come. So she just drags her nose or her beak on the floor in a swiping motion. Yeah. And she follows my hand. Come here, Pebbles. Here. Come here. Where are you? There. Come here. Good boy. Number 9 is fetching, which is very interesting and it's very fun thing to teach your birds. और ये काफ़ी जल्दी सीख भी गए थे. Fetching is just like how you tell your dogs to fetch something. Come. Good bird. यहाँ पे Bubbles कुछ नहीं कर रही है. The reason is she got aggressive with the seeds and she bit me on my hand here. So अभी वो कुछ ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं करेगी, मेरे पास भी नहीं आएगी, because she knows that she's guilty of biting me. Sometimes it happens your birds bite you out of aggression or out of affection or frustration हो जाता है कभी कभी. But then it's good to teach your birds some amount of discipline that they can't just bite. Come Pebbles, get it. That they can't just bite you every now and then. So my birds know if they bite me, they stay away from me for quite some time. और treats के लिए भी पास नहीं आते हैं. तो Bubbles अभी कुछ कर भी नहीं रही है और treats के लिए आ भी नहीं रही है. वो सिर्फ Pebbles के पीछे घूम रही है ताकि एक्स्ट्रा कुछ treat मिल जाए. But she's not coming to me to ask for that. No, you're not doing any tricks today, Bubbles. तो 1-2 ट्रिक्स 1 or 2 ट्रिक्स शायद हम नहीं दिखा पाएंगे बिकॉज वो सिर्फ बबल्स करती है, पेबल्स नहीं करती है. सो दिस इज नंबर 9 fetch. Come on Pebbles, go. Come. Very good bird. So आप छोटे कुछ भी ले लीजिए that your birds can pick according to their weight. यहाँ पे है कुछ rubber bands, कुछ blocks and something that they are not scared of. Bubbles and Pebbles दोनों छोटे balls या कुछ भी ball type का चीज़ से they are very scared of them. So I can't make them do anything with balls. Good birds. So the last one is recall practice. Recall practice is nothing but making your birds sit or fly somewhere close by and then calling them back. तो ये थोड़ा बड़ा जगह में करना चाहिए. I do it in my living area which is pretty big, but I'll try to show you in this small space. ये बहुत important एक ट्रिक तो नहीं है, इम्पॉर्टेंट एक चीज़ है जो आपके बर्ड्स को सिखाना चाहिए. क्योंकि अगर कहीं पे वो बाय मिस्टेक उड़ के चले जाते हैं या फिर फ़ैन के ऊपर भी बैठ जाते हैं या कहीं हाई कहीं पे उड़ के बैठ जाते हैं, सो व्हेन यू कॉल देम दे कम बैक टू यू. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो पेबल्स को कम, कैन यू कम. पता नहीं इतना शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस में लोग करते नहीं हैं, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर दे विल डू इट और नॉट. कम Bubbles, wanna do? Ciao Bubbles. Come back. Don't walk. इतनी short distance में they are not used to. There comes Bubbles. Good boy. Come back. Good bird. Fly. Come. Good bird. So this is recall practice. One more trick that Bubbles knows, and only Bubbles does this, and I'll show you. I'm sure she'll be doing if she doesn't bite me. Come on, Blackbird, get up. Blackbird, get up. Blackbird, good bird. Bubbles को actually अभी थोड़ा disciplining एक्ट कराना था हमको, बट नहीं हो पाया because of the video on tricks. But no matter, I'll be making a separate video on how to teach your birds not to bite you, or at least feel guilty if they bite you out of frustration or anger or whatever. So for today, that's all about it. Thank you.